Okay guys, now see our installing process to be continue, and I hope that okay, any of country, when you change your country religion, just your Apple ID, then you download your app, emo app. This is hello guys, I can show you how can solve your country code problem. This emo version, emo videos call and chat HD. This version only support USA number, but when you have not a emo number like USA, this time how can you use emo? So never mind, and don't worry, I show you how can solve this problem. Thank you. Okay, this is complete. Now I open this. Open. Show this. Okay, see, this is a problem. I hope you face this problem. I can tell you why you face this problem. Okay, when you set up your iPhone Apple ID, just like this. Okay, I go my setting. Don't skip this video. This is very important to you. Okay, I go my Apple ID. See, view ID. Okay, view Apple ID. Show you why this problem face everyone. Because okay, you show here my account, country, religion. Country religion. Okay, so click here. Okay, here you can see this, my country religion. See my account, country religion. Okay, see this, United States. So guys, this is the main problem of your emo. So you see how can solve it. If you have no storage of your phone, this iPhone Apple ID, so you change your country. At first you change your country religion, then you can solve this. Such as I state Argentina. Okay, see, wait, Argentina. Okay, I click Argentina, then okay, process this. Wait, guys, I get changed my country religion, and I now use my emo. I just Indian. Okay, I just use this Indian country religion. Now I use emo properly, just like this. Okay. Okay guys, now I go my search bar and I search emo. So search this and you can see this is absolutely amazing. See this. I download this. So see, emo video call and chat. Don't it is HD. So now I go. Okay, go my open.